The final dream of a mind that's about to break out of existence.
Okay, everybody. This is the toe cutter, and that's the Furion 6. I forgot to. I can't zoom in with this camera because RC Canuck Johnny, he doesn't like it. So I think he's right. It's when you zoom in, it's a piece of shit. Anyway, this is for my boys. A shout out to the boys at RC Hella Spot, RC Canuck, Johnny, I'm 4711, Ingolf, Fufu, Sir Blighty, Lord Blighty, Sir Alan, McSwain, JJ, Max Pilot 57, GW, Ghost Wolf, Bill, Garland, my brother, all you guys over there, Jeff N, he's been here. Slow, I wonder what happened to Slow. And Juan Jorge, man, he was a cool dude. Anyway, having troubles soldering this goddamn connector. I'm using this T60 because it's easier to unplug. In light of what Link posted on the spot about the bullshit cheap ass lipos from Taiwan, Hong Kong, wherever. It's a problem that doesn't face us guys that use the real stuff. If you notice there, that's a bona fide Hyperion pack. I am 4711 and myself, we use these good packs. They sure are good. Okay. Oh, this one, look, this one's made in New Jersey. How about that? That's how good these packs are. Anyway, I'm having problems soldering this thing on here, so I came up with a little trick, so to speak. This is a piece of wire, electrical wire, household current wire, 110 rated. It's a solid piece of wire. I'm going to use that to sort of support this mother that I'm having such a problem with. So I'm going to use that to sort of hold and support while I use the welding job on it. Soldering shouldn't be that hard. This pack is all I need for oh, sorry about that. Hyperion pack is all I need to get that bird up in the air, and this should be happening soon. I say within the next day. Okay, now I'm going in, see what happens. This is pissing me off. I hate doing this shit. And yes, Ingolf, I'm 4711. For some reason or another, this Hyperion didn't come with the connector on it. LOL. What a bunch of crap. Okay. Let's see what I come up with.